Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set your return address on eBay. One of the most common things that make buyers bristle is when they receive an item that doesn't match the photos or the description in the listing. Being sent broken items or products that are missing parts could likewise taint the transaction, and so can receive shipments that are deemed or seem fake. Well, this doesn't apply to all return requests. However, there are shoppers who change their minds and decide they just don't want what they bought. Accepting a return in that case depends on the seller's stated return policy. If sellers offer returns within a certain time period, then it's reasonable for a buyer to make a request. Now, let's walk you through on how to set your return address. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your eBay Seller Hub account at www.ebay.com/sellerhub. Once you're in, click My eBay, located at the top right of the page. On My eBay Summary, click the Account tab. Under Personal Info, click Addresses. This page is where you can update your registration, shipping, ship from, and return address. Just click the Add button in line with the return address. eBay needs to verify your identity, and you may be asked to sign in again. So just enter your email address and your password, then click Sign In. After you sign in, you'll be asked for your name, the complete return address, and your phone number. Just fill everything up. You can also check the box at the bottom left if you wanted this to be your primary address. Once you're all set, click the Save button. You'll be taken back to the addresses page. You now have updated your return address. If you feel uncomfortable with your home address being on all the packages you send out, then you can always use your PO box as your return address. So that, ladies and gents, is how you set your return address on eBay. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!